Now to Spain, where hundreds of thousands of people formed a human chain today in Catalonia to show their support for independence. Has been the region's national day, and the Catalan president has reiterated his plan to hold a referendum on independence as soon as next year. But as Tom Burridge reports, the Spanish central government is strongly opposed.
History, tradition, culture. People in Catalonia have celebrated their national day for centuries. But this year there are again strong calls for a vote on independence from Spain.
Spain right now is saying no, you cannot vote, and that's what should not be acceptable for the rest of the world.
The feeling is greater than ever, and I think we're going to succeed.
A never-ending number of pro-independence Catalan flags.
Independencia! Freedom for Catalonia!
And people, hundreds of thousands, creating a human chain, a protest in favour of the idea of an independent Catalan state. The human chain stretches some 400 kilometres. It weaves its way through many a road, and in that direction you'd eventually reach Catalonia's border with France. Here it travels through the Catalan capital of Barcelona, and if you went in the other direction, eventually you'd end up in the region, the Spanish region of Valencia. Earlier, the Catalan president told me his plan was to hold a referendum on independence next year. He's in talks with the Spanish government, but Madrid is unlikely to agree.
We don't know if the Spanish government will accept this kind of deal, this kind of agreement. If they don't, then I have another tool in my hands, and the tool is elections in our country.
The Catalan president says he'd turn regional elections in 2 years into a vote on independence from Spain. But the path forward is very unclear. Spain shows no sign of granting Catalans a vote. And despite the large numbers on the streets here, even if there was a vote, the results would be hard to predict. Tom Burridge, BBC News in Barcelona.